And this next track is called Jannah. And it's a song basically about getting to Jannah. And the Prophet ﷺ being the best of examples to do that. And just what it takes, inshallah, to get to Jannah.
Now you guys are going to have to get your hands together for this one. Been a little quiet, so you got to go like this. Ready? Hands up like this. Yeah. Thought I was a good boy. Heard the prophet say, life is short, don't let it slip away. Spent my whole time trying to run away. Alright. When I had in one hand the chance to make a change. And you can build your castles in the sky, when all you do is waste away the time. And I remind what a prophet did with his life, and all he had was Jannah on his mind. Yeah.
Keep it going, yo. And by time man is in loss, if we don't pull our weight, we're gonna pay the cost. If you can't walk to walk, your talk is just talk. If tomorrow never comes, then when we gonna start? One life to live, what you gonna do with it? The time is now, so how you gonna use it? Alhamdulillah, been shown what the truth is. Now all that's left is whether we pursue it. So what's it gonna be? Do your own thing or take the prophet's lead, because these prophets will lead. Knowing him, that's all I need. Yeah. And it's so amazing, how can one do so much in just a day's giving? I guess he never fell behind, lived his whole life with Jannah on his mind. Yeah.
And you can build your castles in the sky, and all you do is waste away the time. And I remind what a prophet did with his life, and all he had was Jannah on his mind. Yeah.
Alright, y'all.
Like this.
Let's get your hands
Get
together.
your hands up. Oh, get your hands up. Oh, get your hands up. Yeah. Oh, get your hands up. Yeah. You can build your castles in the sky, and all you do is waste away the time. What a prophet did with his life, all he had was Jannah on his mind. Oh, get your hands up one more time.
Get your hands up.
Oh yeah. Oh. I thought I was a good boy. Heard the prophet say, life is short, don't let it slip away. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.